guys, today is Wednesday. I did work last night when Tuesday night, and tonight is my off. My friend's supposed to come here, one of my best friends, kaya lang she got caught up and she's not coming over anymore. Napalabas ako ng baboy kasi sana magluluto ako ng adobo, but I'll still cook it later. So nag-text siya na she can't come, so then that's fine. Sabi ko that's okay, I'll see you next time. Dito ako sa my laundry room, pretty much. Yung hindi naman laundry kasi wala yung washing machine sa labas. So maglaba ako guys kasi yung mga uniform ko ba, and for the past 6 days hindi ako nag-washing kasi busy kami ni Joran, and plus our friends and family were here sa bahay, nag-stay. So laban ko yung mga towel kasi ginamit din ng mga cousins ko and iba naming friends kasi pumunta kami ng beach. So ang dami naming lalabhan. Is that my phone, Jordan? He's calling. Oh, Juliet. Tumatawag si Juliet. Kasi yung phone ko andun kay Jordan kasi nagtatransfer siya ng I mean like he's looking at something on my phone. Sa family ko, ganyan. So, and si Juliet tumatawag. I'm gonna call her again soon. So yun guys, ito na naman yung mga tuwalya. Yan. Ito. Kasi diba last time si Jordan naglaba, dalawang loads. Eh, yung mga natira yung mga towels. Yung ginamit namin this weekend. Miss Jordan sa lounge. Busy guys sa Lapi. Meron siyang ginagawa. Tsaka yung ibang towels. Andito yung beach towels. Yan. Kailangan niyang labhan. Ito. Tsaka. Ito. This one's fine. And then ito rin. Labhan. Yan. Ano pa ba? And kailangan ko rin to guys, laban yung yung bed sheets yan kasi dito natulog yung mga dito natulog yung mga cousins ko. Sorry, Tagalog, Ilonggo guys. Mix na yung lengguwahe, English, Tagalog, and Bisaya. So I need to wash this. Yung mga beach shorts, yung ginamit ng mga cousins ko yan. Ay nako, pag andito sila, daming labhan. So that's okay. They only come here once a week. Well, every week, once or twice a week. Pag wala silang mga gala, dito sila guys. Pag hindi sila busy, so we catch up. Yan. And ito guys yung baboy. Napalabas ako ng baboy kanina. Napalabas ako ng baboy kanina umaga after work. Kasi akala ko yung friend ko pumunta dito. Ito. Yung yung spare ribs na baboy. Pero lutuin ko pa rin yan mamaya. Pujuran kasi wala kaming pagkain. Kumain ako ng sausages, yung leftover from last night. Kasi yung ulam namin. Hindi ako nag-vlog kasi may work. Guys, dito na area yung mga tables kanyan. We're gonna leave them here. Dapat sa my garage. Kaya lang, we're gonna have a party next Saturday. Not this Saturday coming up. The following Saturday. Kasi birthday ni Joran. So we're gonna need all of this stuff. And then dyan guys, yung mga extra cushions and blankets for winter. Yan. Binili ko sa The Reject Shop. Mura na to guys. Ito leather couch. Pagkatapos ng party, we're gonna cover that up. Para hindi ba masayang. Kasi gusto yan ni Joran. Paborito ni Joran na couch. First couch namin sa first house. Sa previous house. And then yung table, bigay din ni tita. Nandito ako sa isang lounge kasi kausap ni Joran si mama sa phone sa Philippines. So, guys, nakatambak dito yung mga binili ko sa Philippines and yung mga ibang, yung mga ibang regalo bigay sa akin from subscribers. Thank you so much guys yung mga nagbigay. And ito guys, yung mga coffee. Kasi ubos na doon kasi pagkatito yung mga cousins ko, yung friends ko, they drink this. So, ito guys, yung Nescafe na, strong blend and brew. Coffee ko, 3-in-1, black coffee ko. I love black coffee ko. And then brown coffee ko as well. Yan, ito. Buso doon kasi. So, kailangan ko kumuha dito. So, KitKat mo, dalawang KitKat. Medyo may pagkamahalan yung KitKat. I don't know why. Well, mahal naman talaga yung KitKat. Even dito mahal yung KitKat. So, ito rin. I'm gonna try this yung coffee ko na cappuccino. I haven't tried this. I think Spanish shoes. Kasi meron kaming business dito. Ito, yan. Ang ganda. And I like the color. And it's parang very light lang siya. So, this. And bumili ako ng mga salsa shoes. Ito, pang salsa guys. Kasi we go salsa every Wednesday. Well, not every Wednesday, but most Wednesdays we go salsa. Ito pang salsa cheese sa department store. SM department store. Ito, 1,600 pesos. Mura to guys. Kasi normally ano siya, from $50 to $80, sometimes $100. It's very expensive. So, sa Philippines, ang ganda pa. Pang salsa. About 2. And 1 in rose gold. Yan, eto, pang salsa guys. This one is same price. This one's a bit more expensive. 1,800 pesos. Yun guys, pang salsa. Sa Manila guys, eto yung binili ko. 500 pesos. Eto yung pinakamura na sapatos na bakya. Copico Blanca, Copico Brown. And then, Barako. This is what I drink. Kasi walang mga kopi ko dito. Minsan, ngayon nag-stock na sa may Mala Trading. Guys, eto, kopi ko. And then si Ate Joy. Guys, si Ate Joy, pag hindi ka Ate Joy, siguro na-miss naman yung Philippine flight namin. Yung Manila flight namin. To Adelaide, to Sydney. Sinundon niya kami sa airport and then sa terminal. Traffic pa naman nun, guys. Grabe yung, yung hassles ba? Hi, na-miss namin hindi namin na-miss, delayed yung flight namin from Iloilo to Manila. 4 hours delayed, guys. Saka yung the next flight namin, like, 2 hours apart. So, grabe, nag-rush lang kami. Kundi dahil kay Tita Joy, wala. Na-miss namin yung flight namin. Na-miss yung Manila to Sydney. So, binigyan na kami nito. Tsaka yung bag. Yung bag. Fibers, is this a bag? Jordan? Oh, eto, yung amin na bag para kay Jordan. This is for you, babe, from Tita Joy. And eto din, from Tita Joy. Thank you so much, Tita Joy. Ano to parang duyan. Duyan ata. Yes, sinabi niya parang duyan. I'm not sure where it is, babe. And here as well, babe, from Tita Joy. Yan. Yes. Hey, look at this one. From Tita Joy. So guys, tutulungan ito kay Joren. Yan. Pabilisan ng adobo. Adobo na baboy. Kasi, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow. Lutuin ko ito para kay Mr. Gutom na yan, guys. Babe, do you wanna cook rice? Sometimes, I think when I cook, I cook fast. Parang madali lang sa akin. Siguro I've been cooking a lot. That's why. Sanay na ako guys magluto. Kasi pag ito yung mga cousins ko, friends ko, I cook for them. So they can get fat. I cook and they eat and they get fat. And when they go on a diet, they bring slimming tea. Luto tayo. Luto. Adobo. Oil. So, yeah, ang mga garanipis yung garlic. I'll put onions here. Ano?
What?
Do you want onions or not? Adobo, it's quick. Yeah?
Vegetables.
You can save your vegetable, the green vegetables. Yeah? Yeah? Oh. Yeah, okay. Okay, guys. Guys, kausap ko si Julieta! Na mag-vlog din siya. Guys, please subscribe to her channel, Pinks Lovers. It's a description box ko. Please check her out and subscribe to her channel. She's having a baby soon. Julieta, Pinks Lovers. Asan yung mukha mo, Julieta? Pakita mo yung mukha mo, ha?
Thank you.
Yan guys. Love you too, darling. Guys, kausap ko si Julieta ngayon. Kanina, parents ko ngayon si Julieta.
Oo, tapos sa limang niya kami. Mga gagalabs, so nagiluto siya ng adobo.
Baboy. Wala pa 5 minutes. Nahulog. Darling, nahulog yung baboy ko. Wala bang 5 minutes?
Ano, wala ang pizza ko dyan?
Wala. Off ko ngayon sa mga pinsan ko, darling. Day off ko sa mga pinsan ko, darling. Kasi they wanna come here today, Wednesday, every Wednesday. Sabi ko, huwag ngayon. Day off ko.
Home-cooked meal. Only milk.
Only milk
No
now.
soft drink. No cordial. Only
Oh,
milk.
she said you're very handsome. What?
Oh, salamat.
Si Jordan, ano guys, gusto niyo yung veggies kasi wala kaming veggies. I'm gonna cook just pork adobo. Walang veggies, walang patatas.
Kasi Tart, di ba ayaw mo nang may patatas?
Gusto ko may patatas pero carrots ayoko na.
Ayaw ang kalat, di ba sarap? Na?
Oo. Kasi parang iba yung lasa ng ng adobo pag may carrots.
Oo, iba. Parang
Yung carrots.
carrots.
Ito na yung pork adobo. Wala pa yan yung mga sauce. Tsaka yan yung steamed veggies ni Joran. And then magluto siya ng rice. So kumukulo na yung pork adobo. And then luto na siguro yung yung veggies. Well, luto na yan. Mainit na. And then yung rice still cooking. Ano pa rin, nakakook siya. Hindi siya warm. So yan. And still talking to Julieta. Yan kami guys. Ito kami. Yan, ito yung pastime namin. Usap-usap, chika-chika. Miss ito darling. And si Joran. Si Joran na maghahang ng mga washing sa labas. Kasi I'm watching Marriage at First Sight dito sa Australia, guys. Grabe, naka-intense. Marriage at First Sight. Ito yung binigay ni Sam subscriber. Thank you so much. Nakalimutan ko ang pangalan niya. He speaks Ilonggo as well. She speaks Ilonggo, sorry. Yan. Sexy to guys. Oh, very sexy. So, mamaya na yan guys. Mamaya na yan. I'll do that later. Kasi nagluto ako. And then, mag-wash ako na Marriage at First Sight. Hala, yung mga G-string. Oh my God, these girls. Daming mga bitchy. Always have one girl or two girls. Mister!
You turn off the vegetables?
Yeah, I did. I'll turn it off. It's cooked.
Why is that hole in your underwear?
What?
Fighting?
Where? Oh, that's an oldie underwear. My hole.
Wow.
Jordan,
Tell me about farting.
censor please.
You farted a hole in your underwear.
Censor please. Okay, I'm gonna get the other washing. One more, two more loads. Two more towels.
Pork, adobo. You gonna eat any? Pork, what's your favorite?
Yeah, later. Maybe a little bit. Yeah? I know you love adobo. It's your favorite. Yeah.
So you mix. You can put potatoes, carrots, you can put green veggies,
Steam.
steamed veggies.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean this later, babe. This one. Yung mga mugs. I love this. Pamasa. Kumain na ako, guys. With rice. Saka veggies. So, kasi yung mga leftover lagay ko sa fridge. Tapos hugasan ko lahat to. Yung mga karwagan, mga saucepans, ganyan. Saka yung rice, lagay ko sa fridge. Meron pa natira. Ito, kailangan hugasan. Yan. Para malinis ba? Yung bahay. Rice, kamaya na yan. Kasi medyo mainit pa yung rice. So, ito. And I'm having my tea, guys. Tea. Coffee na ako kanina. So, hindi na ako mag-coffee again. So, tea na lang. Linisan ng bahay after food. Yung dito guys, linis, linis, washing, washing tayo. Kasi as always mentioned, pag Wednesday, cleaning day ko yan dito sa bahay. Wednesday, cleaning day and going out day, cousin's day, family day. Yeah. Tapos ako maglinis sa kitchen and Joran deflating the air bed. Yan. Oh. Para manis ko to yung kwarto na to. So, ni-deflate niya. Guys, dinis ng bahay. Walang katapusan. And I'll just fold his clothes. Kanyan dito sa my walk-in wardrobe niya. Yung mga t-shirts kanyan. I need to sort them out. Kasi may mga t-shirts siya na ano ba na hindi niya ginagamit na gusto niya ibigay. Ay. Open yung pintuan kasi malamig sa labas. Kasi yung yung lounge namin mainit. It was hot today. Okay, watch kami ng movie. So yan guys, linis ng bahay. And I'm gonna hang the washing soon. Ano na, magti-10 o'clock na ng gabi guys. Linis pa rin ng bahay. May OCD. Nag-edit ako ng isang vlog and I'm watching Harry Potter, yung the first one. And I'm gonna make leche flan Yan, 4 na egg yolk. Kasi meron pa natira na evaporated milk from last time. And yung condensed milk. So, sayang naman. So, I'm gonna leche flan for tomorrow. Kasi I'm gonna see my girlfriends, my best friends tomorrow. I'm gonna go to Anna's house. I think this one's still okay. Yeah. Maybe not. We'll see. I'll try. Yeah. Still good. And yes, I'm boiling the water. Yan guys, I'm gonna make leche flan. Kasi guys, maghalo-halo kami bukas. Yan, I'm gonna take that to her place. And then yung mga, yung mga mix, yung mga fruit mix kanyan. So I'm just gonna make leche flan quickly. Siguro mga 2 nanyera lang. Kasi half lang naman natira yung mga milk ganyan. So half. So 4 lang na egg yolk ginamit ko. Yan, 4. So yan guys, magluto na ng leche flan. Yes, I'm gonna close this vlog na late na mga 1 o'clock na siguro o 2 o'clock. Nag-edit ako isang vlog dun, thank God. And I've done so much today. Very productive day. Well, afternoon. Kasi I woke up late na mga 4 because I worked last night, Tuesday night. So yan guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow with my best friend. Thank you.